What is going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in and happy Monday. Today is October 26th, and on this post, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, BTC, USD, if I'm currently bullish, bearish, and what my short-term price prediction is according to what I'm seeing in the charts. Now, before we begin, please do read my disclaimer below, as I am not a financial advisor, and it's not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing, as this market is extremely risky. Now, if you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link in the video description section below. They are still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive bonus stocks upon a successful sign up, so I would truly appreciate that. Now, if you guys have any questions or comments, do only leave them in the comment section below, as I will not get to all the messages in my inbox. Now, if you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching this on TradingView, do follow me, as I do come out with new regular analyses on the cryptos on my watch list. Now, let's take a look at BTCUSD on the daily charts. Now, as we can see, we have broken out of the symmetrical triangle that we have been in for quite some time back in earlier this month in October, and the measured price target is about 13.8K. We can't really see it as it's blocked right here, but it's about 13.8K, and we have made quite a bit of progress towards that price target. Now, we're going to see if we are going to either pull back or continue higher, but on a lot of the major time frames, even up to the weekly, it is suggesting that the momentum is losing. So we are seeing bearish divergence from the hourly up to the weekly. Okay, so that is something to be keeping in mind of, because if we get a pullback on the weekly or 3 days where the bearish divergence is playing out, I think that pullback may last a while. So what happens? Where is the support if we do potentially pull back from here? So on the daily chart, we see that we had made a little double top on the RSI here, and we may have, and the pullback is happening right now with these 2 daily red candles. Now, where this price action might actually get support, well, we're going to have to see where some of the moving averages are on some of the major time frames. Okay, so if we actually go to about the 4-hour, we see that the 50 moving average, which is the white line right here, is right below at about 12.6K. That could be the next level of support. Let's go to the 6-hour chart, and we see that the price action is currently trying to get above, struggling to get above the 6-hour 21 moving average. Now, if we can actually get a close and possibly an engulfing candle on the 6-hour, that would be a better sign for me that we may be negating the bearish divergence and move another leg higher. But this is the time frame I am looking out for, because if we can stay above the 21 moving average, to me, that's a good sign that we may see more upward price action. Now, if we do break down from here, the next level of support here on the 6-hour time frame will be about 12.2, which is the 50 moving average. Let's go to the 12-hour, about 12.35. So as we can see, we do have support from the moving averages on the 4-hour at about 12.6, on the 6-hour about 12.3. And then if we go over to the 12-hour, yes, that's about 12.3. And then if we actually go over to daily time frames and even the larger time frames, we're going to see the moving averages are still lagging behind, and they're below 12K right now. So these are going to be the moving averages that are going to be acting as support, and I'm going to be paying very close attention to if the price action starts breaking down, and see if we can actually get a potential bounce on one of these moving averages. Now, if we do negate some of these bearish divergence, that would take us higher, and my price prediction currently would still be the 13.8K according to the breakout of the symmetrical triangle. Now, unless we can actually form a pattern at about the 12.8K, or make it form a pattern and see if we can get another estimate based on that pattern, we're gonna have to pay attention to that. But currently, I think we're still the next leg up, if that happens, will be about 13.8K, and there is still some room for the price action to run. That is the bullish case scenario. That's in my opinion. You guys let me know what you think. And I have already presented the bearish case scenarios where the next level of supports would be at about the 4-hour, 6-hour, and 12-hour moving averages. So those are going to be the moving averages I will be looking for as supports. If we do break down from the price action here, I think it's very important to know both the bearish case and the bullish case scenarios, because that would tell me, it will give me a pretty good gauge about where I should be exiting and if I should be staying in my position. Now, this concludes my very short analysis on BTC USD. I hope you guys have found it helpful. Please do give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Leave me any feedback, agreements, disagreements. I would love to hear them. And thank you very much. I'll see you guys next time.